Hello children, welcome to my channel Geet Mam Online Preschool. Today we are going to do matching worksheet game. Children, matching game helps us to improve our concentration. It will help in visual memory and also it improves the ability to find similarities. So let's start. In this worksheet, we have to match the pictures. But before that, we have to observe the pictures very carefully. What is this? Yes, this is a car. This is a helicopter. This is an engine. And this is a ship. Now, the other side we have shadow pictures. So what we'll do, we'll match the picture with the shadow pictures. Like one is done as an example. This is car. So we will match it with the shadow car. This is helicopter. So we have to find out the shadow of helicopter. Here it is. Let's do matching. Now we will match engine with the shadow of engine. Now let's match ship with the shadow of ship. Thank you. Children, this is another sheet of matching game. In this, the picture has been divided into two parts. Front part is left side and the back side of the picture is right side. So what we have to do? We have to match the left side with the right side of the picture. But before that, we have to find out what are the pictures here. This is a nest. This is chick. This is rabbit. This is hen. So now what we will do? We will find out their other part and do matching. This is nest. So we will find the other part of the nest. Let's observe carefully. Here it is. Let's do matching. Now the other picture is of chick. So we have to match the front side of the chick with the right side of the chick. The next picture is of rabbit. Let's find out the other side of the rabbit. Here it is. Let's do matching. This is hen. Let's find out the other part of the hen. Here it is. Let's do matching. Thank you. Hello children. Now this is another sheet of shadow matching game. As I have told you earlier, we have to observe the pictures carefully. Then we have to do the matching. Let's observe the pictures. This is duck. This is wolf. This is rat. This is sea lion. And this is panda. So what we have to do? We have to find out the shadows. So observe carefully. We have to find out shadow of duck. Here it is. Let's do matching. Now the next picture is of wolf. Let's find out the shadow of wolf. Here it is. Let's do matching. The next picture is of rat. So let's find out its shadow at the top. The next animal is sea lion. Let's find out its shadow and do the matching. Here it is. This is panda. And let's find out its shadow. Here it is. Let's do matching of panda with its shadow. It has been done. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon.